Copy vs_easy Turntable UI.py to C users, administrator, documents, Maya, 4x, scripts. Copy easyturn.png to C users, administrator, documents, Maya, 4x, prefs, icons. Run vs_create shelf.py to create shelf. Green button for centering the model in the viewport. Set a name for the image sequence. Set the image size here, then play it. Change it to PNG and we get an image with a clear background. Increase the number of images, and increase the smoothness of the motion. After pressing the button, we will get the sequence images. Click the yellow button to access it. Check here if you want a numerical order of images.